Okay. Hello everybody. Today we are going to make our favorite emojis. Do you love emojis?
Say okay.
Art emojis. Do you love emojis?
Parikshet, what is there in your t-shirt?
Super Mario.
Super Mario, and it changes the color, na? Show
Yes.
me. Oh wow, it became blue.
Yeah. No,
Wow.
red.
Okay, red.
The hat become red and this become blue.
Wow. So let's start making the emoji.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
And parents, share your kids' drawings with us on Instagram and tag us at Kids Fun Learn Club and @Kids Fun Learn Club. Let's start the drawing.
Fine.
Let's start.
How was our emojis? Nice, very good. How was our emojis? Nice. And like and subscribe my channel to see more drawings ideas.